Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the serpentine belt tensioner on Audi TT 8J 2 liters petrol. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there. That's the serpentine belt, and that's the serpentine belt tensioner right there. To get access to the serpentine belt, we need to remove the engine cover and also this reservoir as well. The reservoir is held by 3 bolts that we need to remove, and then we'll put it to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the reservoir is put to the side, we have access to the serpentine belt and the tensioner. To loosen the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise, and then we're going to install a pin in there in order to keep the tensioner in place, and then we can remove the belt. This is the pin that I'm going to install. There is a hole on the tensioner that we're going to put this pin in, and then when we turn the tensioner, there is another hole right there where we're going to put the pin in there. This is the wrench that I'm going to be using to turn the tensioner. So I'm turning the tensioner clockwise until I can install the pin into the other hole. Once the pin is installed into the other hole, then I'm going to remove my wrench, and then the belt should be loose and I can remove it. That's the pin installed in both holes. Now I can remove the serpentine belt. Next, I'm going to remove the serpentine belt tensioner, which is held by 3 bolts here on top. Now I'll show you a closer view of the 3 bolts holding the tensioner. There, these are the 3 bolts. This is the tensioner, and these are the 3 bolts. To remove the bolts, I'm using socket size 13. That's the 3 bolts removed along with this metal plate, and now I can remove the tensioner as well. And that's the serpentine belt tensioner out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. So this is the new serpentine belt tensioner. This is the part number for it. Now I'm going to install it in the reverse order. First I'm going to put it in its place, get the metal plate with the 3 bolts, and put the 3 bolts on and tighten them. Before being able to tighten the bolts completely, first I'm going to get my wrench and my pin. I'm going to install it onto the new belt tensioner, and this way I'll have more space to tighten the bolts. That's the pin on. Now I'm going to tighten the 3 bolts, and then I'm going to put on the serpentine belt. So this is the new serpentine belt, and that's the part number for it. Now I'm going to install it around all the pulleys. Once the belt is installed around all the pulleys, then I'm going to get my wrench. I'm going to turn it so I can remove the pin, and then I'm going to let it go. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.